Guys, stop searching for the best amp per wattage. I got you covered in this video. So the JP8, JP11, or JP1.2Z3, they're all going to do a little over 1,000 watts. The JP8, I think, did just over 1,000. JP11 is going to be 1,1300-ish, maybe 1,400. JP1.2Z3 does the same power at 1, 2, and 4 ohm, around the 1,1400 watt-ish as well. So we're going to have to cut one of these. This one is a little bit lower. Anyway, problem with taking customers' requests too often is you end up with way too many options, and then people get like confused when they go to order something. Like, do they get this one or this one, or this one or this one, or this one or that one, or this one? Nobody knows. But anyway, that's going to be my suggestion for the 1,000 watt amp. So moving into my 2,000 watt suggestion is going to be the Down for Sound amplifier that started it all, the JP23 version 1.5. So this is going to give you easily over 2,000 watts, but we rated it 2,000 or 2,300. Dyno numbers 25, 2,600 at 1 ohm. So it's definitely going to be the best amplifier for your 2,000 watt range. And moving up to the best 3,000 watt amplifier for the dollar is definitely going to be the JP23 version 2. It's doing easily over 3,000 watts with proper electrical at 1 ohm. Ton of different color options, but if you're wanting way over 3,000 watts, you can also look at the JP33 Korean. Well, these are Korean now as well, but the big boy JP33, it does easily over 4,000 watts on a bad day. Very, very underrated amp. So that's going to be my suggestions for amplifiers, the best amplifiers on the market between 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 watts. Appreciate you watching the video. If you need anything, hit us up at downforsoundshop.com or give us a call 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check